Good morning from beautiful Da Nang. It's a nice weather today. Look at this. It's main rainy season and it's wavy, but people are still in the water. Lots of people are surfing. I just met Jim today and he was like, oh yeah, I surfed the whole morning and look at how beautiful it looks. It's amazing. It's like a very wavy and nice beach at the moment. This is great. I almost want to go in there. He's keeping us safe. Hello. Nice. Keeping us safe. This is awesome. This is the weather update. Yesterday and the day before it was pretty cloudy and rainy, but today it's pretty good. Now, which hotel are we gonna check out today? This is beautiful. This is why I love Da Nang here. Look at this. As soon as the blue sky is out, just like this view, this is the reason. Look at this, beautiful. You can sit down here, have a drink, what I'm gonna do soon. It's fantastic. I'm gonna take a walk now on the beach promenade. That's what I love to do the most. Getting the steps in, beautiful. Look at this. It's fantastic. Especially, it's just like this view, that makes it worth. I think this is also good for your mental health. If you just think about it, you just see it, the blue, the beach, the ocean, and yeah, this is fantastic. And I hope the camera gets the real blue, what it is like. It's very, very nice right now. And just yesterday was great. So, might not as bad as I thought it would be, the rainy season again. Maybe I'm just too dramatic. Yeah, but it's nice. Look at this. Beautiful. Many surfers out now. Even if you're not a surfer, it's just very nice, these waves. And the ocean actually looks clean. So I think today is a very, very good beach day. And yeah, lots of surfers preparing the boards. Very nice. Yeah, this is why I fall in love with this place. I want to share it today with you here too. Here's the My An beach sand. And this is also still looking very good here. Everything is pretty much taken care of. The boardwalk is very pretty here. Especially if you like to walk like me and Marcus. We like to walk long, and this is just perfect for it. You can walk all the way up to the Soncho area where the Lady Buddha statue starts. I don't know if you can walk up there though. Might be a little bit tricky, but definitely all the way there. You could easily walk here around 2 hours or something, at least. Maybe even more. People just enjoying themselves. This is why I also like this beach part the most. My An beach. Because it's just like so nice. Especially the beginning, I think. And they have specific areas where you can go in as a non-surfer, and then there are if you're a surfer, you can pretty much go anywhere you want. But if you don't have a surfboard, the lifeguards will whistle at you and tell you to go to the designated area where they're taking care of you if something happens. So we just saw him before, and yeah, it's very nice. I think it's gonna be a whole day on the beach video, guys. This is the beautiful thing now. Here, the beach part is a little bit wet still from the rain and from the crazy waves, but so keep in mind, in the summertime, March to April and March to August, September, and even October, up until October I think, this is everything very white and soft sand. And the waves are very calm. So this looks even better in the summer, but I think I showed you enough before in the summertime. But this is actually, I really enjoy this one now too. It's beautiful. And here you can also have a pizza on the beach. This place is pretty packed, especially in the evening. On the daytime, because there's no shade, it's not that popular. But nighttime, they even have like a real oven here. Hello.
Xin chào.
Xin chào. Yeah, pretty nice. Beautiful view here. And it's not expensive. So you can have a cheap pizza here, very good value, on the beach. You sit on these small little stools, but it's still phenomenal. And this is where my friend always likes to get his coconut, Tommy. He likes it very much here, because there you have a little bit of a shade. And hypothetically, you could just take these coconuts. I'm not sure if they take those or other ones. But yeah, it's pretty nice. And they also have these cute canny hats. I gotta get a canny hat as well. Oh yeah, this is beautiful. And you can just walk and walk and walk. And if you're very tired, you just go there and get a foot massage or a massage on the beach. Because they have these proper things where you put your head in. And you can get a neck and shoulder or foot massage. That's pretty nice. Get a coconut. Lots of people are out today. Lots of tourists actually. It's beautiful. I hope the vibe gets through the lens. Maybe I'll be a little bit quiet. How good is that? Looks very nice, yeah. I'm gonna walk back on the beach. Look at all the surfers. That's fantastic. Look at this view here. This skyscraper. And it's very nice to walk in here too. But gotta be careful now with the sun as well again. But I'm gonna get a tan today. That's good. I'm back on track. Getting my 10,000, 15,000 steps in again. And look at this, beautiful. Isn't that nice? It's great. Lots of people are walking also on the beach here. Getting the nice air in. Life is good again. I'm so dramatic. And here in the afternoon, in the evening, as soon as the sun goes down, it's packed here with volleyball players. So if you like to play volleyball, you can just show up here. And you're 100% gonna find some people to play with. There are also more volleyball nets over there, pretty much all over the beach. There are also lots of opportunities to work out here a little bit. Some pull-up bars, some other some other machines that usually look very funny. But yeah, we're gonna go back there. Beautiful here. I'm gonna go to my favorite coffee shop there. Have a coffee or a coconut. Fantastic. So we're here now. Salut!
Salut!
Comment ça va?
Beaucoup mieux, a lot better.
A lot better. He was a little bit sick. Somehow the whole city got a little bit sick, but at least it's a quick thing, right? I also felt a little bit funky, but then it just disappeared one day later. Just
Like
gotta
cough,
sweat,
that was tough, yeah.
drink a lot of electrolytes or water, and yeah, that's what we gotta do. We're enjoying now our coconut, and then we're gonna move on. Cheers.
Cheers. To Da Nang.
To Da Nang, yeah.
Da Nang.
Great views here. Front row. We just finished up our coconuts, and now I'm gonna eat something. But look at this, the last time here. Beautiful, it's packed. It's great. Actually, we just came from the beach, and now I'm gonna take Francois to a pho place here right away, and I hope he will like it. Let's go here.
Okay.
Sneaky route. I hope he likes it. It's gonna be very close in the Antung area. I think it's pretty good. I had it one time with Emma, and I think it was good. Emma gave it an 8, maybe 7.5. But Emma is very picky, but we will try it out. Guys, so we just came here. It's called Pho Pho Co, and I think it's 24 hours open. I hope they're open now, but yeah, let's try it out. So sadly, they don't have my favorite anymore, Zotwang with the red wine beef stew, but they have normal pho. So now we're gonna get a normal pho. Let's see how it is. Okay, guys. So we're here now. Got a coconut, the pho. Let's see how it tastes. I like to put some garlic in. Ooh. Whew, nice. Gotta put in some garlic. That's gonna feel better afterwards. But you're not gonna kiss anyone anymore. Don't put too much. That's fish sauce, I think.
Oh, I thought it was soy. Do you add
you just take
bean
this one.
sprouts?
This is the spicy sauce,
Okay.
and this is whatever you want to take. And this is the fermented chili sauce. And then bean sprouts and lime, just however you want. I put a little bit of a spicy sauce in, and garlic. That's how I like to eat mine. Mix it up all together and see if the broth is hot. So it's basically just the raw beef, and it gets cooked right away when you put it in the hot water. A little bit mediocre. I don't know. All right, I just went out. It was not that bad actually. The only thing is I really wanted to have the stewed beef, but they didn't have it. But at the end of the day, it's still good. It's not the best, and if you're used to Hanoi pho, it's definitely not close. But it's hard to find good pho here, in my opinion. But let's ask the Frenchman. How did you like it?
I thought it was good.
Yeah?
I thought I'm no expert like you, but I liked it.
Okay.
It was really good.
Yeah,
What did
then-
you think?
I think it was good. I just wanted to have a specific thing I didn't
Yeah,
get.
that's true.
And then I'm like, oh, I'm a little bitch. All right. Okay. So thank you so much for watching. Check out this video and see you on the next one. Au revoir.
Bye.